Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Highland Road is one of Baton Rouge's main thoroughfares, running east-west through both residential and commercial areas. It begins near downtown and stretches through some of the city's older neighborhoods before connecting to newer suburban developments. The road has been a key route for local travel since the early 20th century, linking neighborhoods to schools, shopping areas, and parks. Along Highland Road, you will see a mix of historic homes, mid-century architecture, and modern commercial spaces. Many buildings reflect Baton Rouge's growth over the decades, showing how the area transitioned from quiet neighborhoods to bustling city streets. The road passes through or near several significant locations, including schools, small businesses, and community centers that serve local residents. Highland Road is also close to Louisiana State University, which influences traffic and activity in the area. During the academic year, the street is lively with students, faculty, and visitors, especially around restaurants, coffee shops, and local stores. Parks and green spaces near the road offer areas for recreation and community events. Over time, Highland Road has undergone improvements and expansions to accommodate traffic while preserving its neighborhood character. Street trees, sidewalks, and bike lanes make parts of the road walkable and accessible. Local businesses along Highland Road reflect Baton Rouge's culture, offering food, services, and retail that cater to both residents and visitors. Driving this route, you can see a combination of history and modern development, from early homes and institutions to newer shops and commercial centers. The street shows the city's growth patterns, how neighborhoods evolved, and how Baton Rouge continues to balance urban development with local character. Whether passing historic houses, modern offices, or lively cafes, Highland Road offers a snapshot of Baton Rouge's urban life, highlighting the mix of history, education, and local culture that defines the city. Baton Rouge itself is one of the oldest cities on the Mississippi River, with roots reaching back to the early 18th century. Its name comes from a red marker pole used by indigenous tribes to mark territorial boundaries, a reminder that this land held meaning long before European settlement. Over time, Baton Rouge passed through French, British, Spanish, and American control, each leaving an imprint on the city's culture and governance. Its position on a bluff above the Mississippi made it strategically valuable, especially during conflicts like the Civil War, when control of the river meant control of trade and movement. Baton Rouge became the permanent state capital in the mid-19th century, cementing its political role in Louisiana. In the 20th century, the city expanded rapidly with the rise of the petrochemical industry, transforming Baton Rouge into a major industrial and economic center. Today, Baton Rouge blends government, industry, higher education, and culture. As we move through the city, you're seeing layers of history shaped by the river, resilience, and constant adaptation, factors that continue to define Baton Rouge's identity.